Hello everyone, welcome to DNA Alexa Echo Dot app or skill developed by Team Mensa. So before we start the presentation, let me ask you this: what would you do if you want to listen to the news about the topic that are of your interest, right? If you tune to TV or radio channel, it will give you all kinds of news that you even might not be interested in. On the other hand, if you use some kind of website or mobile app to get the custom news that are of your interest, then you have to keep reading it, and you have to focus on your mobile device or your computer screen. But what if I don't like to read, or I am visually impaired person, or let's say I want to read the news or information of my interest on the go while maybe I am driving the car, or maybe while I am brushing my teeth. To meet this requirement or this problem, to solve this problem, we thought of creating Alexa Echo Dot app or skill, and using our DNA platform APIs. Okay, so we have developed Alexa Echo Dot app for DNA showdown using DNA platform APIs. We have created 3 logical channels: data, news, and analytics. In order to start Echo Dot app session, you can just say Alexa, start DNA. So while developing, we thought about multiple use cases and tried to incorporate it as many use cases as we thought of. However, we can always enhance this app with more use cases based on the feedback. Now, here are some of the example questions you can ask. So, for example, in order to get custom news that you would like to hear, you can say, give me news about Donald Trump or Hillary Clinton, or you can say, give me news about North Korea. So it will give you tailor-made news. While if you are interested in getting more info about companies or executives, you can say, give me data about Google executives, or give me data about Google financials, or you can say, give me stock price info about Google. On the other hand, if you are involved in some kind of research and you want some aggregated data and you want some analytics based on that, you can use our analytics channel, and you can say, give me analytics about most talked about companies or most talked about executives.
Now it's demo time. Giving demo about news channel. In order to get news about a specific topic, Alexa app calls Content Search API. Here how it works.
Alexa, start DNA.
Welcome to Dow Jones DNA. You can get news, data, or analytics from DNA platform. For example, you can say, give me news about Donald Trump.
Give me news about North Korea.
Here are top 5 headlines about North Korea. Big parade through the big, announced her. India, and the canister looks like it's Chinese as well. You know, we're not worried about North Korea's longest range missile, the Taepyeong-2, because it takes weeks to assembly all test. We can kill it on the launch. The Defense Department on Tuesday improved a spotty record by destroying a mock intercontinental ballistic missile over the Pacific with a new hit-to-kill vehicle meant to protect the homeland against the growing threat from North Korea. That time and time again, especially an attack like we just saw in Manchester, but also you point out, you know, we have to deal with North Korea and Iran.
Let's move on to data channel. If you are interested in finding out investors or portfolio companies near to your location, you can use our data channel. The app finds your location based on the device IP and calls Venture Source Organization Screening API. Let's look how it works. Give me local investors.
We found total 5 investors in your area. Here are a few popular ones. MCI Investor Type Corporation. Investor status is actively building portfolio. Their website URL is www.mci.com. OpSource Incorporated Investor Type Corporation. Investor status is actively building portfolio. Their website URL is www.opsource.net.
Give me local portfolio companies.
We found total 11 portfolio companies in your area. Here are a few popular ones. Brainware Incorporated from database software industry. Total raised amount 148 millions. Its development stage is generating revenue. Digital Bridge Communications Corporation from wired telecommunications service providers industry. Total raised amount 78.53 millions. Its development stage is generating revenue.
If you are interested about recent investments happened in any particular company, for example, if you want to get round information, you can use data channel. Application calls taxonomy and venture source organization details API. Let's look how it works.
Round info about Google.
There were total 4 rounds. Here is information about latest round. It was IPO type. Round amount was 1.20208 billion. Round was closed on August 19, 2004. Round currency was US dollar.
Now, if you are interested in getting more information about any company, its financial details, key executives, or stock price information, you can again use data channel. Application calls taxonomy, Factiva organization, and Factiva people APIs. Let's look how it works.
Give me data about Google.
Alphabet Incorporated is a holding company which engages in the business of acquisition and operation of different companies. It operates through the Google and other BET segments. The Google segment includes its main internet products such as search, ads, commerce, maps, YouTube, apps, cloud, Android, Chrome, Google Play, as well as hardware products such as Chromecast, Chromebooks, and Nexus. The other BET segment includes businesses such as Access or Google Fiber, Calico, Nest, Verily, GV, Google Capital, X, and other initiatives. The company was founded by Lawrence E. Page and Sergey Mikhailovich Brin on October 2, 2015 and is headquartered in Mountain View, California.
Data about Google financials.
For fiscal year 2016, revenue $89.733 billion USD. Net income $19.478 billion USD. Total assets $167.497 billion USD.
Data about Google executives.
Executive Chairman Eric E. Schmidt. Chief Executive Officer and Director Lawrence E. Page. President and Director Sergey Mikhailovich Brin. Chief Financial Officer and Senior Vice President Ruth Porat. Senior Vice President Omid Kordestani.
Stock price info about Google.
Here is stock price activity information. Close date is May 30th, 2017. Close stock price is $996.17000000000001 US dollars. Last stock trade price is $987 US dollars and 9 cents.
Similarly, Alexa app calls Factiva People API to get more information about any person or executive. Let's look at it.
Search for executive Bill Gates.
Bill Gates is founder, Microsoft, who works for Breakthrough Energy Ventures LLC.
If you are involved in making some kind of investment decisions and you would like to know which companies or people got most positive or negative mentions in news during a specific time period, you can use Analytics channel. Alexa app will use Google BigQuery against snapshot dataset, which was created using DNA snapshots and streaming APIs to do data mining. Let's look.
Analytics about most talked about companies.
BSE Limited. European Union. Facebook Incorporated. Google Incorporated. Instagram Incorporated. London Stock Exchange Group plc. National Collegiate Athletic Association, National Football League Incorporated, Twitter Incorporated, U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission.
Analytics about most talked about people.
Theresa May, Narendra Damodar Modi, Barack Obama, Michael Richard Pence, Vladimir Vladimirovich Putin, Hillary Rodham Clinton, Sean M. Spicer, Rex W. Tillerson, Donald John Trump, Jinping Xi.
Let's look at the architecture to give you an idea about how it has been implemented. It's a simple Node.js application deployed in AWS Cloud. When an Alexa skill is invoked, it executes a Lambda function, and Lambda function invokes a DNA platform APIs to fetch data.
Okay, so for future enhancements that we could have done provided more time, we thought of so many things, so many different features that we could have incorporated in here. Some of the examples are like we could have automated the process of creating snapshot dataset using Alexa app, or we could have created a custom news channel using streaming APIs. So as soon as we keep getting the latest news, Alexa device will keep reading all the news that it gets. And definitely we could have added more filters to refine our news and data information. So for example, if you would like to get news or information about healthcare in New York City, you could have added more geographic filters, some time duration filter, or maybe industry specific filters as well. And we created this app that is specific to Amazon Alexa device. However, we could have created similar app for Google Home device as well. And I think, yeah, possibilities are limitless, so you can keep adding more and more features. So we are waiting for your feedback. Based on your feedback, we could have definitely added more and more features. And this is our source code location. That's a GitHub location. If you are interested, just have a look at it. And if you have any questions, feedback, or suggestion, reach out to our Slack channel, that is Team Mensa. And thank you very much for watching this demo.